Welcome. If you want to stay updated with the latest content recommendations and notifications on Roblox using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the new update that lets you enable content recommendations notifications directly from the Roblox website. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Roblox website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're on the Roblox homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is your gateway to all account settings. Click on the gear icon to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page, where you can manage everything from privacy to security. On the left side of the page, you'll see a list of options. Click on Notifications to open up your notification preferences. Now that you're in the Notifications section, look for the option labeled Mobile Push Notifications. Even though this section is called Mobile Push Notifications, it's also where you can manage recommendations and other notification types for your account. Click to expand the Mobile Push Notification settings. Here, you'll see a list of different notification types, including content recommendations. To enable content recommendations, simply find the switch or checkbox next to Content Recommendations and turn it on. The change is saved automatically, so there's no need to look for a Save button. That's it. You've now enabled content recommendations notifications on Roblox Web for your PC. With this setting turned on, you'll receive personalized recommendations and updates, helping you discover new experiences and stay in the loop with what's trending on Roblox. If you ever want to adjust your notifications again, just return to the Notifications section in your settings and toggle the switches as you prefer. Staying updated on Roblox has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next adventure on Roblox.